wadhi nyime kod weche manyien kama derepe ma pachoka okwa mondo obed akicha e kinde mag riembo e apeyni ma pachoka ahinya to e kinde mag oganda kata kinde ma oganda jo Kenya ni safar ma wuok kuonde mopogore opogore bang' nyasi mar Pasaka. Kwayo ma kama ogol gi Gavana ma Kericho Mutai ka oywago medruok mag masiche mag apaya e pachoka. Mutai ma bende en jakom mar weche somo e riwruog Gavanas ma pachoka nopodo mamalo kuom ng'eto mare mar chiwo chik manyien ne sirkand counties mondo dhi nyime gi chiwo omenda mag bursaries ne jopuonjre mawuok e anyuola ma ok nyalo.
We are buried more than 2-3 people. Yesterday was the burial at Chapter yet. We were burying a third-year medical student who died as a result of an accident that happened at Kapatet. My call as the governor of this county during this Easter is a call for all the drivers to be very careful in the highways. Let us protect the lives of our people. We ask our drivers to refrain from drug abuse or any alcohol abuse so that we are able to take our people safely to their destinations. I also ask the police of this county and this country that wherever they are, we're asking them to be very vigilant in the highway, ensure that you man our highways well, check on the vehicles that are carrying excess passengers, then they must also be punished by the law. But above all, I ask the police to be very vigilant. I ask also the drivers to be very vigilant, and even the passengers. If you see a driver is drinking alcohol, and you are in that vehicle, and you are laughing, know that you are laughing towards death.